What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video we'll be finding the integral of this function here. If you think you're able to find the answer for this one, you can pause the video and do this problem and see if at the end of this video we're able to get the right answer. Now if you're new on this channel, I would say to you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification so that whenever I upload you can able to see the video that I'm uploading. Alright, now if you want to watch the previous videos that I've made already, you can go to the playlist section of this channel and watch according to the topic or chapter that you would like to learn about. So let's start. Let's do this problem here. Now this problem, as you can see, you cannot integrate it like this. Again, there are no integrals for cos squared and sine squared. Chances are we'll try to integrate this, but you don't have the integrals for this. So you have to look at the whole thing here. Now, by just looking at it, you must be able to see that this is actually double angle identity. I know you have half here, but just take this half as an angle. Alright. Now, this double angle identity is one of cos. Just in case you don't know, I'll show you the video of that double angle identity. So you can rewrite this like this. Very simple. Cos 2. Remember double, but what is the angle? The angle is x over 2. This angle here, dx. Just in case you don't know this double angle here, where is it coming from? There is a video here where I derive those double angles. Watch the whole video because I'll show you all the different types of double angles that are there. Alright, now that you manage to solve this or manage to substitute with the double angle, you need to continue and do this one further. So you can also say 2 divided by 2 and you're going to be left with what? Cos x multiplied by dx. Now from here you can start integrating. So let's find the integral of cos. So if you can go back and check the formula, if you say sigma cos nx, what is the integral of that? Right? What is the integral of cos? Right. Since we are moving from cos to sine, and this is positive, this is going to be positive sine nx over n plus c. Remember guys, this formula here, I did explain these formulas on this video just in case you want to go further and understand these formulas. So from here we just substitute there guys, right? As you can see, our n here is 1 on this one here. So the integral of this is gonna be sine x divided by n, but our n is what? Is 1 plus c. Do not forget to write plus c because plus c indicates that this is an indefinite integral, and also plus this c represents the constant. Guys, I hope you managed to understand this one. It was very easy, straightforward. You were supposed to know the double angle identities here. Just in case this video managed to help you, do not forget to like, and also you can comment in the comment section. Share this video to your friends. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification in order for you to able to watch the new videos. Just in case you want to watch the old videos, go to the playlist section and watch those videos. At the end of this video, there will be a playlist of these trigonometric functions, integrals. Go and watch that playlist. Click on that playlist and watch those videos in sequence order for you to understand better. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Till next time, cheers.